Hi, it's Cykaniki. Welcome back to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. And if you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And today we're going to make a New Year's Eve glam look. And let's make it a little bit sparkly and glittery. And yeah, so I'm super excited of the come out. So, samahan niyo ako. So let's hop into the video. So first, we will be starting with a foundation. I already moisturized my face. So we're going to prime. So I'm done with prepping my face. We will be using this Loreal Infallible. It dries super quick. I need to work faster on this foundation kasi nagda-dry talaga siya ng bonggang-bongga. But I love this because it has a yellow undertone. So maganda siya sa skin ko. I'm going to add a little bit more. Magwi-wig tayo ngayon. So, be excited. I'm planning to buy yung lace wig sa Lazada. Katulad kay Vice ganda. Super ganda niya. Lagyan lang natin sa leeg kasi wag naman natin snub yung leg natin. Kahit nandito lang tayo sa bahay nagme-makeup. So, we're done. I-blend lang natin siya ng konti. Pat-pat natin ng konti with the blending sponge, especially sa nose area kasi usual dun talaga siya nagpa-patch and it's good na anuhan nyo ng blending sponge kasi parang nadidiin yung mga product at nawawala yung mga pores. So, next step is concealer. We're going to use this NYX Above and Beyond Full Coverage. So, first time ko to siyang gamitin. So, maganda daw to para sa mga under eyes. So, try natin. Ay, ang puti. Maganda to sa brow bone area. Try natin to mamaya. Blend, blend, blend. So, we're going to set it with setting powder. This is actually my routine. Just to prolong life of the makeup on my face because as you know, I have a very super oily face. If you watch my video regarding nung Maybelline na super stay na foundation na ni-review ko lately, super nag-last siya ng 7 hours sa oily face ko bago siya nag-oil up. So, don't worry if I'm patting on a lot of powder because later on, it will just parang bula, mawawala lang siya. So we're done and we're snatched with powders and all of the baking and stuff. And I'm just going to finish my eyebrows and I'll be back. Okay? Yan na, I'm done with my brows and let's proceed with our eyes. This will be our transition color. Sa eyes natin, we're going to start with a transition color. And next is this color. And next will be this color here. And next, we're just going to blend it to remove harsh lines. Blend hanggang matanggal tong mga lines na nandito. Don't worry, gagamitin natin yung ginamit natin transition color to fade out the color as well. So, ito na siya. We're going to place a concealer on the middle of my lids or on the center of our lids. And just pat it. Don't worry if meron siyang a little bit patches, you can go on and go back to blending mode. Next step is we're going to apply a glitter primer. Ting konti lang dito sa center natin. Though naglagay na tayo ng concealer, but mas maganda pa rin yung glitter primer na ilalagay natin para mag-pop-pop talaga siya. Let it dry for a few seconds. This is a MAC glitter and we're going to apply this. We're just going to use our bare fingers for this. Hi! Hello! Iba talagang nagagawa ng glitter. Ah, super love it! Don't worry about the edges. We're going to blend it. All we need to do is to go back and forth. We're going to apply a black liner. Okay, I'm back. I had my lashes on, and let's work on with the lower lash line. Basically, we're going to use all the colors that we use on our eyes. So just follow, okay? We're going to go with browns. And of course, going with my favorite color. Connect lang natin siya dun sa parang naging smoky ang peg. And we're going to add a little bit of black on our waterline. Yung nilagyan natin ng glitter primer, yun yung lalagyan natin ng silver glitter. Yan lang siya. Parang umiyak ka lang. I-run down na lang natin to ng konti, no? Para naman hindi siya parang ang pangit tingnan. Maganda na ba, bes? And, syempre, yung dito lalagyan din natin. Para bongga. Mas nagpa-pop siya, guys, if merong glitter primer. Siguro yung Stila, ang ganda siguro nun, no? Pero wala ako nun, walang budget. Ito kasi bigay ng client. So, huwag nang choosy kung gora na. Bahala na, basta glow-glow na peg. So, next natin gagawin is magkukontour tayo. Ganyan. Nag-hit pan na talaga siya, guys. Alam nyo naman, I have a very big forehead, kaya kailangan ng contour. I really wish you a happy New Year, guys. Maganda na ba ka? Yan. Ito pang mag-contour. For our lips, I will be using this, KH Lee by Melior. I don't know. Maganda pala to. Miss Nayumi gave this to me. Shout out to Miss Now. Parang pink siya, no? Hindi siya brown. So, we're going to use the nude lips na lang. Maganda na ba? So, this is it, guys. And I'm going to put on something on my hair and I'll be back. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and may you're going to have a happy and prosperous new year. And how do you like it? If you like this look, please share this to your friends and greet them Happy New Year from, ano ba tong look na to? Nicki Minaj? Or Ariana Grande? Ganon. So, pasensya na. I love it. I super love it. So, yeah. Thank you again. And bye-bye. Sarang he. Natanggal na to, guys. Who run the world, girls? Who won the world, girls?